Let's cut across to breaking news coming in from Maharashtra, where Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has called for an urgent meeting with the Health Secretary and other officials regarding the rising cases of coronavirus in several districts. Besides that, Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar has also hinted at perhaps taking stricter steps. He said in a quote, "We will decide whether to implement a relock in just the city of Mumbai or in rural areas as well. People have become complacent and are not taking precautions." You've got the government hinting that there could be stricter norms, guidelines, and perhaps even a lockdown being put in place in Mumbai and other parts of Maharashtra to combat the challenge that's arising right now in the state of rising coronavirus cases in the last 1 week or so. Uddhav Thackeray has also called for an urgent meeting, and we'll have to see what really is the takeaway of that huddle. Will there be some sort of announcement with regards to a lockdown perhaps, or at least some stricter norms? Because according to the government, people have become complacent. They're not following basic steps. It's not just restricted to the city of Mumbai. Several other districts in Yavatmal, in Amravati, several others, there has been a rise in COVID cases, and that is a cause of concern. And the administration believes the reason you're seeing it widespread in Maharashtra, not restricted to one city or one district, is because people are taking the threat of COVID-19 very, very lightly. And that's why the Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar has also hinted that there could be some sort of a decision that's taken on another phase of lockdown in Maharashtra. As we speak, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has called for a meeting as well. He is going to be meeting with the Health Secretary as well as several other officials to decide on the next course of action. There have been several appeals even made by the Mumbai Mayor Kishori Pednekar, saying that the need of the hours for people to take very strict steps to ensure their own safety, and this will mean that they have to wear their masks, maintain social distancing. This spike of COVID-19 cases in Maharashtra, very, very worrying. Let's take this across to Kamlesh Sutar, who's joining us live from Mumbai. Kamlesh, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray all set to chair a meeting. The big question is, are we going to be seeing an announcement perhaps today or later on a relock of Mumbai and other parts?
Not Mumbai at this point in time, but other cities in Maharashtra might just face lockdown. And what Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar has hinted at, and going by his statement, it seems imminent that at least certain stricter measures are likely to be taken in places like Amravati, Akola and Yavatmal. Cases have been on the rise in these three districts, and Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar just said that we are thinking on putting up some restrictions. Now we are just about to decide whether it should be restricted to the urban areas in these three districts, or also should be extended to the rural areas as well. The number of cases are also on the rise in Mumbai, and there could be certain restrictions in Mumbai as well, but the Deputy Chief Minister hasn't hinted at that. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray will be chairing a meeting in some time from now as we speak. He will be holding talks with senior health officials and the health department, and then there might be a decision in this regard on whether Maharashtra might see some stricter decisions that are to be taken. And as we also speak, in Akola districts, guidelines have also been issued by the district collector, asking people not to gather more than 5 people are not allowed in that places as well. So in some places, at least in Maharashtra, we might see some stricter rules to be implemented to cut down on the number of rising cases.
Okay, Kamlesh, thank you for joining us with those details. We'll track really what is the outcome